as surreal and imaginative as a fairy tale. Looking beyond what our eyes can see gives us a sense of childlike wonder. My desire is to channel my love for fantasy through an enchanted makeup company, Fantasy Allure.
Hi, my name is Ashley, aka Freckles or Mazza. I am the CEO and designer of Freckles Fairy Chest, where I specialize in handmade fantasy accessories sold on Etsy.
Ever since I was a little girl, I have loved anything related to fairy tales or fantasy, and I have carried that passion into adulthood, where my longing has always been to make my imaginative daydreams part of my everyday reality. And so far I've been creating these accessories for about 5 years, and it's been a wonderful journey.
After my 30th birthday approached, I began thinking more about the future, and it felt like there was a concept I had yet to discover. Over the last couple of years, I've really enjoyed learning about makeup art application and pairing creative looks up with my accessories that I've modeled for Etsy. I began to brainstorm with my husband, and I had an idea just pop into my head, and I said, wouldn't it be so cool to have a fantasy themed makeup company? And as soon as the idea came out, it was pure magic. We got so excited and started thinking of all these product ideas to create with a fantasy makeup theme, and we just knew from that moment on, that's when Fantasy Allure was born, and that we felt was in our destiny. Fantasy Allure came from my desire to pair up my passion, which will always be fantasy, with a product that was currently in demand.
So we came up with this product, and I've been working on this for about a year, and it is a liquid to matte lipstick in a deep red shade with gold glitter, as I like to say, kissed by the fairies, and it has a light vanilla scent. Once applied, it does not smudge or rub off easily, so it is long lasting. And I also made sure that it is vegan and cruelty free.
For this Kickstarter campaign, I have made very limited edition accessories, all matching the theme of Enchanted Rose, which is a deep red shade with gold accents. There are so many rewards to choose from at various levels, and I hope you find something that you love just as much as I enjoyed creating them. One of our reward levels will include the Enchanted Rose liquid lipstick, in addition to this limited edition Fantasy Allure compact mirror. Our next reward level includes the Enchanted Rose lipstick, the limited edition compact mirror, as well as one set of 5 fairy claws in antique brass with red gems. Our next reward level includes the Enchanted Rose lipstick, the Fantasy Allure compact mirror, and this antique brass circlet. Our next reward level includes the Enchanted Rose lipstick, Fantasy Allure compact mirror, and this glittery red flower crown. The next reward level includes the Enchanted Rose lipstick, Fantasy Allure compact mirror, and this antique brass filigree crown. Our next reward level includes the lipstick, mirror, necklace, earrings, and one set of fairy claws. The next reward level includes the Enchanted Rose lipstick, the compact mirror, and all 3 crowns, the circlet, the flower crown, and this other crown. Our next level includes the lipstick, mirror, and this one-of-a-kind queen crown, which I hand sculpted with Warbler and there is also red velvet in the center of this. It also has a large Swarovski pear crystal in the center. I would greatly appreciate your support. If you'd like to be a part of the successful launch of Fantasy Allure, make a pledge, and I hope you find a reward level that you love and is just as enchanting as I envisioned it when designing everything for you. Thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. Bye, fairies!